Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can see who viewed your Twitter profile. So if I go right here at my profile icon and I'm just going to settings and support right here and settings and privacy, I will see that there is no option on how I can see who viewed my profile, because Twitter doesn't provide that. But what you can do right here is, if you go to your notifications option, you can see who followed your account. So whoever followed your account must probably went and viewed your profile. So basically, the Twitter doesn't provide this option for you to see who viewed your profile. But what you can do right here is, I'm going to open my browser, and right here I'm going to search for the option Twitter Analytics and go on the first option. Okay, so right here, if you log into your account, you will see that you can see right here analytics about how many individuals have visited your profile, how many posts you have been tagged in, and basically general information about your activity on Twitter account. So guys, this is all for today. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.